How to fix App Store cannot process payment. To fix the App Stores cannot process payment error, first of all, you have to make sure that there are no pending or unpaid balances on your account. You simply have to open the Settings application on your iPhone, then tap on the Apple ID profile banner at the top. Navigate to the Media and Purchases, and then View Account. From there, you can look for any items labeled amount due or highlighted in red text. You must pay this outstanding balance using an alternate card or Apple account balance before you can download anything else. And you can also try to update or change your primary payment method. Go to the settings once again, tap your name, then head to Payments and Shipping. From there, tap on your primary card, check the expiration date and billing address. If you recently moved or received a replacement card, update these fields to match your bank's exact records. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.